So I am back and I am ready to get the steps started with my dermaplaning, and step one is going to be grabbing some micellar water and going in with that with a cotton round or even a clean cloth, and we're going to wipe off any excess makeup or sunscreen that you may have on your face. Go ahead and wipe that off now. And the next thing that we're going to do is our initial cleanse. That's going to be the first wash we do to get off any dirt and dander off of our face. And I'm going in with my So Skin Health. This is my gentle exfoliating cleanser, and I'm just going to do my initial first wash. I'm just patting dry. Next, we're going in with our second cleanse. That's just to make sure that our face is absolutely clean of any dirt, dander, and makeup that was left on. I'm going in with the fresh soy face cleanser to go and get that second rinse done. Now I'm taking this very warm cloth. You can either use a cloth or a cotton round and go ahead and wipe off the cleanser off of your face. All right, after that is all done, go ahead, get rid of your cloth. And your next step is going to dehydrate your face. You can either dehydrate your face with a toner or witch hazel, or you can either use isopropyl alcohol. If you feel so bold and brave to use alcohol on your face, definitely can. It's not going to damage your face, it's just going to make sure it's completely dehydrated and squeaky clean. Or you can just use a toner and get your face clear of any bacteria, and it will also help to dry it out. You can also use a 50-50 solution. That's definitely up to you. I'm just going to grab my trusty little witch hazel from the dollar store. It's been serving me well. I'm going to apply this on a cotton round and apply it all over my face. I'm just going to wait for my face to completely dry, and then I'm going to do a skin analysis. Now, if I have any raised bumps, so right here in the middle of my forehead, any raised bumps or any skin tags or moles, you want to avoid running the blade over those areas that are otherwise compromised. Now, if you have an excessive amount of acne, I would skip dermaplaning at this time or go to a professional that can take care of your skin exclusively for you without damaging your skin. A little trusty bag of blades here. And try and use a fresh, clean blade. If you realize that it's dull and it's not cutting anything anymore, it's time to go. I would say after 3 or 4 uses, it's time to toss that blade out. If you start to see any rusty spots on it, let it go, because it can cause damage to your skin. Dull blades are easier to cut you than a sharp blade, and you can introduce new bacteria to your skin. This is not a surgical blade, it's just a regular eyebrow blade. Make sure to get one that does have a cap on it so you can securely cap it after if you need to use it again, and one that has a capped top where the blade is, so you're less prone to cutting yourself. So now that you see that you've got a nice, trusty, and a clean blade, now we're ready to start the dermaplaning process. So basically, you're going to hold your blade like you're holding a knife, like you're cutting your vegetables or cutting a nice juicy piece of steak. Hold your blade just like this. Now hold it like a knife, and you're going to hold your skin taut in any area that you're using. So for all areas, you're going to hold your skin taut with your other hand that you're not using. And you're going to hold your blade like so at a 45-degree angle, and you're going to make very small strokes. You're not going to angle towards your face or upwards. Leave that for the professionals. You don't want to try upwards at home because you might nick your skin and create a nice slice. We don't need any of you bleeding out at home behind the camera and someone has to come and find you bleeding out on the ground. So just make sure you're angling downwards and making very small strokes. So not dragging the blade all the way down, just making very, very small strokes to get the hair off. All right, now we're ready to dermaplane. Let's get into it. So holding the skin nice and taut and making very small strokes. I know that you guys can see that hair right here. We're already doing the job. So these are all the fuzzies that are coming off, and you're going to want to keep a towel nearby so that you can easily wipe off any excessive hair, dirt, and grime that you're getting off of your face, or you can just use a cotton round instead. Whoa. Now that looks crazy. So I am finished with dermaplaning, and my next step is just to take a clean cloth or a cotton round and go ahead and take off all the excessive hair and dead skin off of my face. Now I'm going in with the Fresh Rose Hydration. Your face definitely needs to be hydrated after you did this because you just washed your face 2 times and also dehydrated it with the witch hazel. Now you want to go in and hydrate your skin. Look how gross that is. That's definitely just one side of my face, getting that excessive dead skin off and all the peach fuzz. It really can trap a lot of dirt and makeup, so you definitely want to try and dermaplane if you can, or if you would like to, you don't have to. It just definitely allows the skin to feel more weightless, to look fresh and clean and vibrant. And also, it definitely allows the makeup to sit better on your face, and it actually soaks in. So your products will be able to soak into your skin and get beneath that top layer of surface. With adding hydration, I'm going in with my Daily Power Defense to protect me from any bacteria, radiation that's out there with the sun. I'm not going outside. Today, it's definitely freezing outside, but it's definitely best to do dermaplaning after dark so that you're not introduced to any of the sun's rays or any dirt, debris, and bacteria that is outside. So you don't want to introduce your skin to any of that. And also you don't want to put on any makeup after you do this because your pores and your skin is very open at this time, and it is very sensitive to catching and containing any bacteria. So definitely be careful. So I have my Daily Power Defense, and I'm just applying that to my face with my fingers. And adding that hydration back into my skin. You may realize, like mine, your face will get a little red after you've done this. So just be cautious of the fact that you opened up your skin and it's now susceptible to irritation, bacteria, and clogged pores. So that's why you want to apply very weightless products and not go heavy duty on makeup after you do this, because your skin is very sensitive at this time. I'm now going in with my Zoe Skin Health Bright Alive just for a little brightening, and applying this to my face. It smells so good and it's so soothing. It definitely does not burn or hurt at all to apply these products. And don't forget your neck. Okay, so now I have completed hydrating my face, and that was the last and final step to the dermaplaning process. I really do hope that you enjoyed this video and that you did learn something new about shaving your face at home. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.